All right, so today we're going to put up just a quick little graphic. This is what they call a plotted graphic. It's cut out after we printed it, laminated it, and then this is masking. That holds all this stuff where it's supposed to be. I marked center, and then center here. I've lined up a little mark with a grease pencil here. I marked that so I know I'm centered, and then I measured from here up. Measured from flat spot and flat spot. If you go to here, typically it's going to be a little bit lower. I'm going to create a hinge right in the middle, just like that. That allows this graphic to stay right where it's at. On the ends, I'm just going to come to this end right here. That tape mark, as long as I make sure they match up, things will be good. I'm going to tear this piece of paper. When you tear backward towards the back. That direction. If you tear forward, it'll leave fuzzies and those will stick to the back of your graphic. Pull it forward, from here forward. Same thing over here. And you can do it one of two ways. You can either pull from here. It's always nice if you have a longer graphic to pull from this back, pull this direction. Don't pull past the end, because then I can actually come over here, make sure everything lines up. It's gonna be a little short because of the bend. And then we'll just go like this. Then I can pull the rest of it and it lines right up. When you're pulling, pull it a 45 down in an angle right back on itself. Watch everything. Make sure if something was loose, you don't want to pull and then rip your graphic, then you got to redo the whole entire thing. Not cool.